Okay, everybody, I got this really awesome pencil sharpener. It's by AFMAT, AFMAT pencil sharpener, and I got it from Amazon, about 17 bucks. Check it out. Manual crank, removable shaving container. You don't have to mount it anywhere, and you can take it with you anywhere you go. The result is a very sharp, pointed, long point lead for your color pencils or regular drawing pencils. Long points. I'm going to insert a color pencil into the sharpener. Okay. Crank it. When the crank releases, because it pulls the pencil in automatically, you're done sharpening your pencil. Look at that point. Long, eh? This is an awesome pencil sharpener, and I suggest everybody should get one if you use it for sharpening color pencils or even pastels. Or pastels for charcoal type drawings. Very long point for very fine detail. AFMAT, AFMAT.